Hello guys, welcome to this new crypto bot trading series on Trading Kernel Stack. And this is basically an introduction video. And so in this video, we'll be going over our crypto bot framework that we just uploaded to Trading Kernel Stack for free. In this series, we'll be looking at how to install crypto bots for Binance, for spot trading, and also for futures trading as well. So we are basically going to be setting the foundations, some of which includes how to install the softwares, how to set up your softwares, how to get your API keys, how to download historical data, how to backtest a Binance bot, how to backtest a strategy, how to analyze your strategy, and most importantly, how to deploy and run your crypto bots on Binance. Okay. So you can see this is our crypto bot framework here. It's on Trading Kernel Stack. I'm going to be dropping this link in the description below. Right. So you guys can follow me here on Trading Kernel Stack. You can see the sports trading crypto framework, a zip file we uploaded. And I'm going to be going over the content of the zip file. All right. So starting here, we have the download historical data section. All right. This section helps us to download historical data from Binance. All right, so you can see this first section here is where we are importing the files for the developers. We are importing pandas, clients from Binance.client, datetime, and plotly graphs that we are going to be using to plot our graph. Okay, so this is where you enter your API key and your API secrets that you get from the Binance website. Okay, so if you don't know how to do this, there's no need to worry. This is basically just an introduction video. And the next videos, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download your API key and also how to set it up. All right, so this is where you add those keys here, and we have the additions here. We add the client and we set up the interval and we set up the symbol that we are trading. All right, so here we get the historical data, and then we convert that to a data frame and store it in data, and we can print that data out to the screen. You can see data here in the raw formats, and here we change this value to date time here, right? Added a date time here, and then as you can see, we added a date time here, and then we rename these columns here. Okay, and we basically copied the columns that we need to the data, right? So you can see we need the dates, we need the open, we need the high, we need the low, we need the close, and we need the volume, right? We don't necessarily need the volume, but sometimes we need the volume as well. So these are just the most popular information that we collected from the key lines. Okay, and we store that data as a CSV file. Okay, and then we can also plot that to the screen to see a candle format of the candles. So this goes back to, I think, 2017. This goes back to 2017. All right, so even if I use 2015 here, the chart starts from 2017. If you can go here, you're going to see that it starts from 2017 here. Okay, so that's the earliest data you can get from Binance. If you want to get other data, you can use Y Finance. All right, so the interval is 1 hour, and this is how to download historical data and store that as a CSV file. The next section is the financial analysis section. All right, all these files are available in this zip file here. Okay, so we have the financial analysis section. This is where you can actually create your strategy by analyzing how certain indicators affect price movements. Okay, so this is just basically a demo. It's not supposed to be used for live trading, right? We're just providing you this framework because this is what we are going to use. So we need you guys to understand how the bits and pieces work, right? So you can see the data analysis here. This is where you analyze data and the rest of that. We get Bollinger Bands, we plot that to the charts, we add the positions and everything. All right, so this is the next one is the Trading Kernel framework. This includes a class which you can actually use to execute and stream candles. Okay, let's just move this to the end here. All right, so you can see this one is the real time of automation and implementation of strategies as well, right? And this is the backtester class where we backtest our strategy. All right, but before we backtest, we optimize using this file here. All right, we optimize our strategy to see the best values that can be used for our strategy. All right, so you can see here we basically optimized what moving average would be the best moving average, and most importantly, how those values affect our trading performance. Okay, so you can see here where we are grouping the first moving average and the second moving average. Okay, you can see that as the moving average increased, right, it also increased the trading profitability as well. Same here as well, right? But that had a decline here. So it gives you an oversight of how several indicators or conditions affect the trading performance. Okay, so also have the trader scripts here. This is the converted Python scripts that you can actually run on your command line. Okay, so you can see that we have also redacted the API key here. This is where you add your API key. Okay, so once you save this file, you can actually run it on your command line and it's going to work successfully, right? But it's just for demo purposes. All right, so this file is available on Trading Kernel Stack for download, and in this series you're going to be going over how to use this framework, how to create more spot trading bots, and I believe at the end of this series you guys are going to understand how to build your spot trading bots for Binance and maybe even build your own spot trading bots. All right, so guys, I would see you in the next video. Bye for now.